Got me a bag right here, that Cowboy brand hardwood lump charcoal, oak and hickory flavor. So you know I love testing out brands of charcoal lump. Fill up this basket, put in this Bronco right here, see how long they last. So that's what I'm going to do with this one right here. Let's see if we can go the distance, right? We've had quite a few of them go the distance, so we'll see if this one can do that. So yeah, so let's get it started on that. So this is what we got right here. Let's add some more. Like that. So if you don't know, you want to do long cooks, the way you do it with this basket, you don't put it in the middle. If you're going to use whatever cube or this right here, you gotta place it right there to the side so it could burn that way. Light it up, and then you get this spot right here going. You think it's good enough, and then you put it in the Bronco. So let's get to that point. I like what I see, so let's add it to the Bronco. Just like that. Alright. So, all the way open. Let's get it at the 1. So we let it go, and then I'll bring it back. I forgot to show that at 7:07 in the morning, so we'll see how long it lasts. There's a hawk in this tree right here. Oh, there it goes. It was chasing after another bird. Chasing after its meal. All right, we're at 2:50. Time is 7:57. So it took us 50 minutes to get right at 250. It did overshoot just a bit, so I had to go and dial it back a little. You can see this is still wide open. But yeah, dialed it back and it dropped some. Yeah, to me, in this Bronco, the lump tends to, burn hotter, obviously, so it's a little more managing compared to charcoal, but hey, we're gonna keep it at this 250, and that's where I'm hoping it's gonna ride throughout the whole burning process. But that's what it is. So 7:57. So see how long it lasts. It started to run hot a bit, so I started to dial this back down more, closing it. So, but you expect that. And this is the first time using this lump charcoal here for long burn in this Bronco. So just see how it's going. What? Still wide open. Yep, almost between the 0 and the 1. So yeah. All right, we're getting close to 4 hours running this basket with Cowboy brand lump charcoal. It's at 250 right now, but a while ago, a few minutes ago, I actually put in some meat, beef back ribs, so it obviously lit up more. So I had to dial it back, you see, even more, just to keep it from burning. This is wide open still. So okay, now you see it move just below 250. So yeah, you just got to fill with it, because once you open up the lid, man, the oxygen's gonna hit it and it's gonna get it going. But it's all about just fooling with it, and once you fool with it, it sets at the temperature you want it at. But just to give you an update. All right, so we've been 5 hours with this lump charcoal. So you can see I'm around 225, and that's it. I probably put the meat on about, I checked the meat that I have in here, I want to say maybe 20 minutes ago. So I had the tip at 250, but when I opened up the lid, and it got hot quick up in there, that lump lighted up fast. So I had to close it, and temp a little over 250, but had to dial it back. So now it dropped down to 225. So now I'm steady rising it back up to around 250. But yeah, that lump went quick. But let's check it out and see what we're at right now with that lump. You can see it's lighting up. It's all smoky. It'll take a bit for it to clear. I don't want to keep it open too long, but that's what we got right there. Just want to say that I don't know, we're 5 hours in, maybe another 5 hours with that. But yeah, so that's what it is. See, look at that. Because of where the drippings are at. Look at that. Alright, well, I'm going to close it up, alright? But that's what we're looking at right now, 5 hours in. I say another 5 hours. Look at that meat. Close it up. Yeah, so. And then this is right here. Give you an idea of what comes in the bag. Cowboy brand. So you see the different sizes. Yeah. But yeah. It's 2:52. When it hits 3:07, it'll be 8 hours. But I want to show you that the temp has been dropping. Look, close to 200 now. So I'll open it up like that. Wide open. So I want to check it right now. Well, we still got some, but you're getting there. Yeah, it's dying out, so I'm gonna get some started, and now I'm gonna have to get it going again. Well, I think I might hold off on getting it started, because I think once I move down around the lump, it's starting to smoke, and then I'll put it wide open just right now at 4. So let's see if I can get that going without even have to light up any more charcoal or anything like that. So we'll see. Yeah, that's more like it. Smoke. See where we're at. Getting 250, getting there. Still wide open, but once it gets to 250, I'm gonna shut it down for a bit. Still wide open. So that's all it was. I just needed to shuffle the lump around and got it going again. So yeah, back in business for now. But just looking at it, I say we got another maybe 2 hours. I would say maybe. We'll see. I believe I said 10 hours if I remember correctly, but we'll see. We made it to 9 hours. 9 hours. Well, let's check it out. Close to 250. Is that the 2? Still wide open, so it's smoking. So, you know, we still got some lump charcoal. Let's check it. Well, not going to be much in there. Those big chunks right there. That's still going right there. That's probably going to be, I could probably move it to that side right there. But yeah, that's what we got. 9 hours in. Yep. Well, alright, let's see how long all that lasts. I may just shift it around closer to each other so it can burn. You know, I like to try to get it as burnt off as I can, the whole basket, so I'll just do that. But yeah, let's continue on. Let's see if we can last an hour. Fired. Alright, so I did that, started a fire, so let's see how long all that right there will last. Keep it at the 2 for right now, and then wide open. If it goes past 250, I'll just dial it down right there. 10 hours. 10 hours, let's check it. Alright, well, it's gotten below 225. At the 2, still wide open, so let's check it. Yeah, you know, even with this wide open right here, it should be getting enough air, but you can see we're getting there. Yeah, so obviously either at this point or before this point, you have added more already by then. Yeah, but yeah, there it is. All right, so eventually it's just gonna go down below 200 because it's already getting close to 200. So I'm gonna call it and then give you my final thoughts. I'm a big fan of Cowboy brand charcoal briquettes. You know that if you've seen my videos, you know that they burn hot and they burn slow. I've had no issues with them at all. With the lump charcoal, you know, it's a little different story today. It burned for 10 hours. You know, if I would have let it go past that, it was already getting close to 200 degrees, the temperature of the Bronco, so it just went past that pretty quick, maybe less than 30 minutes. Even like I said, by then, you know, if you're still cooking, you're gonna add more at that point or before that. So, and with these lump charcoal, they come in different sizes. So same thing with this, and maybe that was a thing too with that. With a lot of small sizes, they burn quickly. Compared to like if we're using charcoal briquettes, you know, different sizes, small, big, but they're all majority the same size. But with this, you know, they're different sizes, so maybe that was a thing that made it burn a lot quicker. It wasn't windy, even though it had been raining. The temperature was around 80 degrees out here because of the rain. I've used the Bronco the same way that I've used it when I've tested other name brand. So I guess in the long run, if you're doing a brisket, you know, it's probably not best to use this. But if you're gonna do, you know, ribs, chicken, pork loin, you know, duck, you know, it'll be good because you know for sure it's gonna last you. But hey, maybe I did something wrong and I only got 10 hours out of it, but I did everything the same like I normally do, and always kept this wide open, adjusted from there. But then obviously you can say, well, you can adjust here to keep the temps low, but the temps were hovering around 250 below, above, but it would go back to 250. So you know, but it would, like you saw, it would eventually stop burning, so I had to adjust it by bringing them all together in one spot. But I think overall it's still good to use, but with me I won't be using it for longer cooks. But I'll give it a shot again, not on camera, but just give it a shot. Maybe I'll have a better day with it, but right now it's you know, use it for, I guess, shorter cooks. You like using lump over briquettes, but I'll stick to their briquettes. Those are the ones that I really like. But yeah, hopefully this video helped you out, and if you're never checked this lump charcoal from Cowboy brand, or if you have, and if I'm wrong, tell me if I'm wrong, why it can last longer than that. Okay, you know, I gave it a shot. But as always, thanks for stopping by. Thank you for watching. Smoke on, everyone.